Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add translate option in Instagram bio. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your profile. In profile section, you don't see the any translation option in my bio because it already written in English. And if you want to know and add translate option and you want to check another person whose bio is not written in English language, so follow these steps and you can just do this. So first of all, you have go to the search bar in the bottom of your screen, and then in the search bar you just type the name of the user and then open his, and his bio is not written in English language, so you just simply click on see translation, and that's it. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.